Alright, so this is a mobile substation. This is brought into a yard in order to run power through while the normal substation equipment is maintained. So it's tapped up on what we call the high side. It transforms the voltage to a lower voltage. It's protected by breakers on either side. It has basically all the elements of a substation packed onto a trailer that can be hauled around, and then out this low end the power goes out to the circuits where people use it. So coming through on this breaker, that feeds it. Normally this power goes through that transformer, and then there's two regulators on the low side of the transformer, and then there's two breakers. So we're at a slight disadvantage while this mobile's here, because all the power that normally goes through two breakers is going through one breaker. So in the event of a fault, everybody on those two combined circuits will be out of power. But it works for the purpose of doing the maintenance here in the substation for a temporary amount of time. Everyone can maintain their service, and this can be put back into service should an emergency arise. And so that's why there are mobile substations, and that's what they do.